It's time to cut back deciduous grasses such as miscanthus. Remove all last year's growth, cutting right back to the ground. This can then be shredded and added to the compost heap. And with light and air, the new green shoots will quickly develop. Even though your ground may not be ready to actually plant out potatoes, it's a good idea to chit seed potatoes, particularly for first earlies. Put them in a seed tray or an egg box somewhere light and frost-free, and they will develop short, stubby shoots. And in a few weeks' time, they will be ready to plant out. And because the shoots have developed when they're underground, they will grow extra well and quickly. In the depth of winter, the brightest colour comes from the brilliant bark of dogwood. But now, as they start to develop their first leaves, it's time to prune them back. And the harder you cut them, the more vigorous the new growth will be, and it's the new growth that has the brightest bark.